Find d cube y all over the x cube if y equal to log in bracket 1 plus 2x all raised to power 2 in base e. Solution. This is a logarithmic differentiation. So we're going to use the shortcut method to make it easier to differentiate and to avoid confusion. So we'll have the y, the x equal to, we have 1 all over everything here. 1 all over 1 plus 2x all raised to power 2 times. Now we're going to differentiate this. And by differentiating it, we bring down the power 2, multiply by everything, 1 plus 2x, then we subtract 1, and that will become 1 here. We don't normally write it. Then times, we now differentiate everything in the bracket. 1 is a constant, that becomes 0. So we'll have 2x. Differentiating 2x, we have 2. Now we'll have, this becomes 4 into this, 1 plus 2x all over 1 plus 2x all raised to power 2. Of course, one of these, we cancel this. So we now have 4 all over 1 plus 2x. Now we're going to convert this to the negative form to make it easier to take the second order derivative. So this becomes 4 into 1 plus 2x all raised to power minus 1. And by taking the second order derivative, we have, now we use the negative sign to multiply by everything. We have minus 1 times 4 becomes minus 4 into 1 plus 2x all raised to power minus 1. Then we'll subtract 1 and then differentiate everything in the bracket. 1 becomes 0. So 2x becomes 2. We now have 2 times minus 4 becomes minus 8 into 1 plus 2x all raised to power minus 2, because minus 1 becomes minus 2. So now we are going to take the third order derivative, which we have that this we are going to use to multiply this, and minus 2 times minus 8 becomes 16. Then multiply by 1 plus 2x all raised to power minus 2. Then we still subtract 1 times, we differentiate everything in the bracket. 1 is 0, we have 2x, that becomes 2. So we now have 2 times 16 becomes 32 into 1 plus 2x all raised to power minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. And this is the answer.